Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to fix unexpected error on WhatsApp. So there are a few methods of fixing your unexpected error on WhatsApp. I'll be showing you some of the method on how to fix this issue. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. First of all, try restarting your device, and after that, if you're still facing the same problem, what you can do is simply head towards your Play Store and then on the search box type in WhatsApp and make sure whether your WhatsApp application is up to date or not. In case your WhatsApp application is not updated, then tap on update, and after doing it so, this might actually work. If you're still facing similar problem, then what you can do is simply long press on your WhatsApp, and after that tap on app info. And once you do that, on the other page tap on storage. As you tap on storage, on the other page tap on clear cache in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on clear cache, keeping in mind all your chats will be deleted. But still, if you're facing unexpected error, then what you can do next is that do the same process, that is tap on app info and then tap on storage, and on the other page do the same process, that is tap on clear data. So basically what clear data actually means is that you'll log out of your device, which means that you'll have to log in again. Clearing all your data might actually work. So these were the few methods on how to fix unexpected error on WhatsApp. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icons so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.